Miracle health benefits of Polyscias fruticosa. Seeing so many nutritional contents in the vegetable, no wonder Mingarelia can provide many benefits for our health and also beauty. Let's check the Polyscias fruticosa benefits below. 1. Its carbohydrate content can be converted by our body into energy to support daily activities. 2. Its natural antioxidants are able to ward off free radicals. 3. Improve immune system, so it is not susceptible to infections from virus and microbes. 4. Can accelerate oxygen circulation in the bloodstream. 5. Helps to overcome anemia by triggering the production of hemoglobin. 6. Its water content can prevent our body from lack of fluids or dehydration. 7. Various mineral substances in Mingarelia can strengthen bones and teeth, and also can prevent osteoporosis or bone loss at an advanced age. 8. The vegetable has excellent protein for human brain development, including preventing the occurrence of dementia. 9. Helps to smoothen the digestive system to be more healthy and avoid digestive disorders. 10. Can be used as diet menu option to reduce the size of the stomach. 11. Can reduce swelling or inflammation that occurs in the area of the eye. 12. Natural medicine for ulcer or blain. You can smooth the vegetable and rub it in the area affected by ulcers. 13. Believed to treat any earache. 14. Helps to keep skin moisturized and prevent dry skin and exfoliation. 15. Prevent facial skin from early aging such as wrinkles and small lines on the face. 16. Make a pale face looks brighter and flushed. 17. A very good folate intake for fetal development in pregnant women. 18. Helps to smoothen menstrual cycle for women and prevent menstrual cramps before or during menstruation. Well, there are many Polyscias fruticosa benefits for health. Cautions of Polyscias fruticosa are there. So far there are no reports that the plant has contraindications or side effect for people who used it, unless an individual sensitiveness. There are some things that you should have aware of for consuming Polyscias fruticosa. These are: for a constant and long-term use, it may cause a similar effect like the overuse of ginseng. Consuming in a large amount may also cause diarrhea. If consuming early before sleep might cause insomnia because the plant has stimulating effect. Children can only consume in a small amount or quantity. There are some allergic reactions such as inflammation, swelling, or rash for some people caused by skin contact with its leaves. Polyscias fruticosa can be eaten, surely. Besides, it can be used as medicine. Not many people know that this plant has a taste for culinary. In fact, all part of the plant surely can be eaten raw or cooked. It won't be a waste to try eat Polyscias fruticosa for salad, soup, or even stew, right?